Hello guys, welcome to the Work at Home Graduates. My name is Tabo. In this channel we talk about ways to make money online full-time and part-time. So in this video I'll be talking about 3 different websites that you can be able to sell things online and be able to make money on the side. Alright, so you want to be able to see all these 3 websites. You can be able to make money just selling used items of your own or other people and be able to make money for yourself, side income. So you wanna make sure you stick to the end, because I'll show you an even better way to actually make this way pay you even more. So join me after the intro and I'll show you everything. Let's go. So welcome back guys. So selling things online is one of the best things you can do, because you can actually use things you actually have in your house or that you have to your friends or family. So what I'll be showing you are actually base websites. You can actually be able to do this yourself. And as I said, the last part is going to be one of the best. So you do want to stick to the end, where I'll show you actually the best one that anyone can actually be able to accelerate their income if you are serious about selling things online using this way. So let's go to the laptop and I'll show you everything about how to sell things online and be able to get some pocket money or side income, which you can actually make even full-time later on. So let's go onto my laptop and let me show you everything. Let's go. So guys, the first platform is eBay. So you might have heard obviously of eBay, it's quite famous. But what you might have not heard or known is that eBay is actually one of the best places to actually make a full-time income. Actually, many people are making a full-time income if you know how to operate this and actually use this. So what is eBay? eBay is basically a website where they don't own their own inventory, so they rely on you and to sell your stuff to their customer base, and then they earn through their commission for your listing when you put up your items as listing, and other different ways where they charge you commission. So it's unlike Amazon, where they have their own products and where there's customers and whatnot. So eBay is actually good for that. So you do get a lot of customers who actually are there for specifically buying different items. So you do know, so it's you have more chances of getting paid when it comes to this. So with eBay, there's few things you just need to know about it. It's quite lucrative. So when you are getting started as a seller, first you will have some few limitations. So they'll only be able to give you 10 items to list to make money online. So where you obviously have to register like normal. So I'll just put it, show you just a bit here. You register, and once you've registered, you can be able to set up your shop. So you do have your stores all over here, and obviously they sellers where they bid. Okay, so what I obviously do recommend is to find a category that you do like. Okay, after you've registered as a seller, so find a category that you're going to focus on. So I'll go into some of the best categories you need to look out for. So as a first seller, I will just give you tips what you can look out for. Right, so that's what you can do for yourself. Okay, this method is what I've tried. eBay, I've tried a long time ago. I was only able to sell just a few items. Okay, that was back in 2017. Used items, but if you are focused on that, you can actually make up a full-time income. So let me just go over a few things you need to be aware of if you can be able to sell things online. So what I do recommend is to actually focus on specific niches, which I'll actually be telling you about. So I would recommend you focus on, because your first month, as they're going to give you 10 items to list there. So one of the best things you should do is to list items that are popular. So these could be something like electronics. These are quite, as you can, if you go over here, you'll see these are quite popular. So anything with electronics, video games, PlayStations, any PlayStation or video game accessories. And also another item is like shoes, like branded shoes and stuff like that. That's also something you can look into. Cash. Also, toys are quite popular. So I would say look into this for eBay, electronics, and also shoes. Okay, can be for men or otherwise. Okay, and I said obviously video games. So the aim is to make sure, obviously, the first month so that you can get your items going out there as soon as you can. All right. So the other good thing about it is that you can be able to download the app from on your phone, and then you can be able to start listing things online. Okay, so that's a good thing about eBay. So eBay is quite good. As I said, it's been obviously been used a lot by many people. So you do know you're dealing with a reliable company. Okay, so there's many different categories you can look into. So eBay is quite good. You can actually be able to sell anything from your home and be able to start making monies. So that's the only things just they're gonna charge you for the listing fee. And then that is it. So then you're gonna just be able to sell anything online. So as I said, it's very trustworthy. It's been there for very long, since the 90s. So you're dealing with a very reputable company. Right, so that's good. So let's go to the next platform that is also quite good for start selling, which you can even sell in your neighborhood or in your local country. So guys, another good place to start selling is Gumtree. So Gumtree is quite good. So I will show you how to actually start. You can make money better when it comes to Gumtree. So Gumtree is similar to eBay. However, you can actually be able to sell things in your neighborhood as well. So let me just give you a few tips if you want to focus maybe on Gumtree, and you can also sell things in your local area. So I'll just give you some tips on how to actually make money with this. So when it comes to Gumtree, guys, so you'd want to find a niche you know about, anything that you actually are passionate about, because it'll mean that you'll be able to know a lot about it, and you can be able to know what people like in that niche. Okay, so the other way, there's two ways you can do this with Gumtree. All right, you can even do it in your country, as I said. Whatever country, they have quite a huge database on many countries. So just double check if your country, it should be in most countries. So you can buy things and you can flip them. So that's why if you have a good niche, you can be able to know what people are looking for and buy it and maybe fix it a little bit or upgrade it and then sell it to people. Okay. So that's why I'm saying you should find something you are passionate about, you know about, so you can be able to resell it online. Okay. Remember, we want to sell things that are going to be quick and go out quickly and make quick money. So that's why I said pocket money. So you don't want to wait for like 2 months and start making money. So you want something for like within a month. So things that are your hobbies or your interests. So that's what I said. Okay. So here are my recommendations. So my recommendations are electronics, as I said, also with just like eBay, and music. However, with here, you'd want to add furniture and books. Why? Because when people are moving around in your area, it's easier to give them furniture, and people are always looking to move around. Either they're moving to different provinces or different locations within your country. All right, so you do want to be able to be the one who's able to make that quick buck when people are moving. And books are huge. People are looking for books. So if you focus on those categories, without a doubt, you will be able to make money when you are listing. So either you buy a book, you flip it, and then you sell it online as quickly as possible. And also you could also just sell your own stuff or electronics, anything related to music, maybe earphones or maybe radio that you don't use, you fixed it, and you wanna, and also furniture is quite big. As I said, or you can just make it fix it up and make it like look like quite good, and you can resell it. So those are quite good. So you just look around and see which one will fit you. Okay, these are quite good. So what you do need to put remember to put in mind when you're selling this is just that these things may take a bit of time. So that's why I'm saying focus on things that will be able to go out quickly. And also remember, if you are selling, don't try to, when you sell things, try to see if those things will be able to fit in your home or wherever it is. So you don't want to be selling something huge that is going to be quite hard to store in your place. So you want to buy or flip something that is going to be quick in and out and make a transaction, and and also make sure it's going to give you good amount of profit. So that's what I can say when you're going to places like Gumtree. Okay, so now let's go to the next website, which is actually a banger. We can actually make more money with this. Okay, let's go into this. So yeah, guys, this is the base website, and that's actually quite new. People haven't really used it a lot, but it's quite banging. It's actually giving results, and it's growing each and every year. So I'll explain how to actually make money with this, and actually how you can be able to sell your products, and how you can accelerate when it comes to making money with this process. So you do want to make sure you understand this part that I'm going to explain right now. So the last website, guys, which actually makes more money, where you can sell your products online, it's Bonanza. So this one is quite good because it's more than just a selling platform. They actually the platform sells you also more. Okay, so basically you do register. Okay, well, this is mine. Okay, obviously this is my account. So what you can do, once you put everything in your platform, right, for selling, and you list everything that you're going to be selling there, and then you can simply go to advertise items, and that's where they're going to be able to advertise your items to all of their platform. Okay, you choose where you want them to advertise, so they can literally advertise for you. Okay, so which is quite good. So this is what they have. Where do you want to advertise your items? So they have like Google Shopping, promotions, eBay, Bing ads. They have many of. So it's not like you're gonna see your items only on Bonanza, like in eBay or Gumtree. They actually advertise for you, which is quite cool. That's what I like about this platform. The other cool thing about the platform is this thing. If you check out here, you can import your stuff, like everything you're selling from Amazon, or any products you have from eBay you're selling. It's Shopify. You can import them and put it in your store in Bonanza, which is quite cool. So you can actually make more money just using this platform. Okay, so yeah, that's quite cool when it comes to this. So what I like about this platform, which is cool, that's why I said I recommend it, is because unlike the others, like eBay or any other platforms where you sell online, where you have to pay for a listing fee, here you don't really pay for a listing fee. You only pay once you make a sale, which is quite good. This is one of the reasons why Bonanza is growing quite well, and it's like really gaining traction since it started, and it's younger compared to eBay and Gumtree. So that's why it's actually growing even further. Okay, so yeah, that's quite good. So if you guys do want me to do actually a Bonanza tutorial or something like that, how to make sales with this step, I can be able to do that. But however, that's the reason people are actually can make money when it comes to making selling items on Bonanza. So it gives you more capabilities to sell things online. So all you do, just register and you're going to have your obviously your store. You create your store, and then you start listing your items. Take your cell phone and take pictures, and then put your store in there. Okay, so that's quite good. You can get paid with PayPal. You can also get paid with through your credit card. All right, so yeah, so that's what you need. So you just need PayPal. Okay, so that's quite good about Bonanza, and you can really earn. So there's a lot I can go into, but this is not a tutorial, but it's just to show how you can make money with this platform. So guys, I hope you did enjoy the video of how to actually sell things online, and you can start making money with things you actually own, or just flipping things that you buy cheaply online and just make a few bucks. You know, over time, you can end up actually making full-time income. So mostly with Bonanza and eBay, okay, you can make a full-time income over the years if you are able to focus on it and make it your full-time income. As I said, all you have to do, start selling things that are going to go quicker, and then you build a reputation from there onwards, and then you start listing things and people are going to start trusting you because you are giving people something that is quite valuable for you. So I can't be able to show you step by step for each one, but all I have to say for now is just add value, give people what they want, and I would say if you are selling, try to include shipping fee if you're selling from overseas, so that people can actually be able to buy from you even better. So, but I hope you did enjoy the video, as you can be able to do this free or with just a minimal amount of money, just using these steps that I showed you. And I hope you are able to benefit and be able to sell anything from your own online. So as I said, these are easy ways to make money quickly online. So if you are looking for other ways, I do have on my channel how to make even more money with my different steps, when you can make money even when you sleep. So other than that, guys, I hope you did enjoy the video, and I hope you did get the value when it comes to making money selling things you do have, or just flipping things you have cheaply or for free. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, as I said, and if you did enjoy the video, guys, don't forget to press the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification so you get notified of when I release a video. Be the first one to get notified of how to make money online. Until next time, guys, cheers.